The Novogradac Community Development Foundation, or NCDF, is a not-for-profit entity that addresses the issues of community and economic development, housing, and the preservation of America's neighborhoods. The NCDF fosters the development of knowledge, supports beneficial public policy, and disseminates community development information in its endeavors to establish positive change in our nation's communities. Today, we are awarding exemplary tax credit projects spread throughout 5 distinct categories, as well as the visionary community development entities responsible for them. Honorable mention goes to the Better Family Life Cultural, Educational, and Business Center. And this year's award for Real Estate QLICI of the Year goes to 225 Center Street and CDEs, Mass Housing Investment Trust, and Build America for introducing new economic activity to the underserved neighborhood of Jackson Square in Boston, Massachusetts. The 225 Center Street project will deliver 16,000 feet of retail space suitable for both an anchor tenant and neighborhood-scale small businesses with 35 commercial parking spaces. The development also provides 103 new mixed-income homes, including 35 affordable units and 51 residential parking spaces. The $11.1 million QLICI investment in the commercial portion of the project provides critical leverage to this transitional area and introduces important amenities to the Jackson Square junction of the city's Roxbury, Jamaica Plain, and Mission Hill neighborhoods. The project utilized $4.7 million in HUD Section 108 loan funds administered by the City of Boston, $2.7 million in new market tax credit equity, $2.3 million in transit-oriented development funds, and $1.4 million in capital magnet funds. 225 Center Street is the first new construction on these vacant sites in 40 years, as well as the first new retail presence at this key neighborhood intersection during that time period. It is also the only large-scale new construction project in decades to take place in Boston's Roxbury or Jamaica Plain neighborhoods that also has a significant market-rate housing component. Once completed, the master redevelopment plan will bring the neighborhood 60,000 square feet of retail space, 13,000 square feet of office space, 50,000 square feet of community facilities, and over 400 units of housing. The project will bring $53 million in new investment to Jackson Square and is likely to attract additional development, making Jackson Square a truly transitional neighborhood to watch in the coming decades. Congratulations to Mass Housing Investment Trust, Build America, and everyone involved in the 225 Center Street project for your roles in this exciting urban renewal project.